Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and you are watching how to download without watermark video download in TikTok. And you are link copy this video, and this video is watermark before. And I go to mobile desktop and Chrome, search TikTok website, and paste link, download button, and download HD button to download video. Wait, and downloading before downloading complete, to like and subscribe channel to watch and complete download, and finally downloading complete before watermark and after no watermark. Thanks for watching.